Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of English Podcast Corner. I'm John, and I'm here with my good friend Emma.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma. It's so nice to be here again. How are you doing today, John?
I'm doing great, thanks. I had a relaxing morning. Just made some coffee, did a little reading. How about you?
Oh, that sounds nice. I had a slow morning too. I listened to some music and took a short walk. The weather was so good.
That sounds perfect. I love those calm mornings when you don't have to rush anywhere.
Yes, it's the best. I feel like those mornings are rare though. Usually I'm running late or checking emails too early.
Same here. But today it's all about relaxing and having a fun chat with you.
Exactly. And today's topic is one of my favorites, hobbies and free time.
Oh yes, that's a fun one. Before we start, I just want to remind everyone, you can download the free PDF of the script in the video description.
Yes, the PDF has the full dialogue, new vocabulary, and a few questions to help you practice English. So you can read along, listen, and study after the episode.
Perfect. Okay, so hobbies and free time. Emma, what do you usually do when you have free time?
That's a good question. When I have free time, I like to go for walks, listen to music, and sometimes draw. I love drawing.
Oh, that's so cool. I didn't know you liked drawing. What kind of things do you draw?
Mostly small things. Flowers, people, sometimes my cat. It's just for fun. I'm not an artist or anything.
Hey, that's still awesome. I can't draw at all. My stick figures look terrible.
Oh no, I think everyone can draw something. You just have to enjoy it.
True. So drawing is your hobby. What else do you like to do?
I love reading too, especially in the evening with some tea. I read a lot of short stories and sometimes self-help books.
That sounds relaxing. Reading before bed is great. But if I read in bed, I fall asleep too fast.
Yeah, that happens to me too sometimes.
So what's your favorite book or something you read recently?
Recently, I read a book about habits, how to build good daily habits. It really made me think about how I spend my free time.
That's interesting. I like those kinds of books too. They make you want to improve your life.
Exactly. What about you, John? What do you do in your free time?
Well, I have a few hobbies. I love playing guitar. I've been playing for about 5 years now.
Wow, 5 years? That's amazing. Do you play every day?
Not every day, but I try to play a few times a week. Sometimes I just play random songs or write little tunes. It helps me relax.
That's such a great hobby. Music really helps people feel better, doesn't it?
Oh, totally. When I'm stressed, I just play guitar for 20 minutes and I feel like a new person.
That's so nice. Maybe you can play something for us one day.
Maybe. If the viewers ask for it, I'll play something short next time.
Yay, that would be fun.
Besides music, I like cooking too.
Oh, cooking. That's a good one. What do you like to cook?
I really like making pasta. I make a good tomato sauce, and sometimes I try new recipes from YouTube, usually simple ones.
I love that. Cooking is such a relaxing activity. And you get to eat after, the best part.
Exactly. I think cooking is my weekend therapy.
So, John, how often do you get free time? Like, how many hours a day?
Good question. Maybe 1 or 2 hours in the evening and more on weekends.
Yeah, same here. I feel like people are always busy, right?
Yeah. Sometimes we forget to make time for ourselves, but hobbies are important. They make life happier.
Totally agree. Even 15 minutes of doing something you enjoy can make a big difference.
Absolutely. What do you do when you feel tired or stressed after work?
I usually take a walk or listen to calm music. Sometimes I just watch a short show on Netflix, something light and funny.
Oh, like a comedy show?
Yeah, Something to laugh and relax. What about you?
I play guitar or watch cooking videos.
You really love cooking, huh?
Guilty.
When I was a kid, I loved collecting stickers. That was my hobby for many years.
Really? That's so cute. Stickers of what?
Oh, everything. Animals, stars, flowers, cartoon characters. I had a big sticker book.
That's awesome. I think I collected baseball cards when I was a kid.
Oh, really? That's such a classic.
Yeah, but I lost most of them when we moved to a new house.
Oh, that's sad. Childhood collections are so special.
True. It's funny how our hobbies change as we grow up, right?
Yeah, but I think deep down, we still enjoy the same things. Creating, collecting, learning new stuff.
Exactly. Hobbies show what kind of person you are in a way.
You know what's cool? Hobbies can help you learn new skills, even languages.
Oh yeah, definitely. Like some people learn English by watching movies or listening to music.
Yes, that's such a good way. You enjoy something and learn at the same time.
Right. When I started learning Spanish, I listened to Spanish songs all the time. It helped me with pronunciation.
That's such a smart idea. I think when learning English, watching simple English videos or listening to podcasts like this one really helps.
Exactly. You can repeat the words, learn pronunciation, and hear natural conversations.
Yes, that's why we make these podcasts, to help people learn English in a fun, natural way.
So, Emma, what are your weekend plans?
I might meet my friend for coffee on Saturday, maybe go to the park on Sunday if the weather's nice.
Sounds like a good plan. What about you? I think I'll cook something new this weekend. Maybe homemade pizza.
Ooh, pizza. That's one of my favorite foods.
Then you should come over.
Don't tempt me. I might actually show up.
You're welcome anytime.
Cooking together could be a hobby too.
Yeah, that's true. Cooking, eating, and talking. Best combo ever.
What about your friends, John? Did they have interesting hobbies?
Yeah, actually one of my friends is into photography. He takes pictures of nature, mountains, sunsets, rivers.
Oh, that sounds amazing. I love photography too, but I'm not very good at it.
Me neither. I always forget to focus the camera.
Same. But I love looking at nice photos.
Yeah. And another one of my friends loves gardening. He grows tomatoes and herbs.
Oh, that's such a peaceful hobby. My mom loves gardening too.
It's nice, right? You get to see something grow over time.
Some people think hobbies are just for fun, but I think they're also good for mental health.
Absolutely. Doing something you love helps you relax and stay positive.
Yeah, like drawing or walking, it's almost like meditation.
Totally. I think hobbies are not just about doing something, but feeling better inside.
I agree. And you don't have to be perfect at your hobby. You just have to enjoy it.
Yes, that's so important. Some people say, oh, I'm not good at painting, but that's okay. Just paint for fun.
Exactly. It's about the joy, not the result.
Well, Emma, this was such a nice talk. I feel relaxed just talking about hobbies.
Me too. It's funny how simple things like walking, drawing, or cooking can make life feel so good.
Yeah, and I hope everyone listening also thinks about their hobbies, what they love to do in their free time.
Yes. Maybe write it down or talk about it in English with a friend. That's great practice.
That's a great idea. And don't forget, you can download the PDF of this episode in the video description. It has the full script, vocabulary, and some practice questions.
Yes, the PDF is totally free. You can read it while listening or use it later to review the words and phrases.
And if you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy English conversations every week.
We'll be back next time with another fun topic. Maybe food? Travel? Who knows?
Yeah, we'll surprise you. Thanks for listening, everyone.
Bye. And don't forget, keep practicing, keep smiling, and enjoy learning English.
See you next time.